So the judgment has been handed down in the case of New Balance versus Liverpool FC, and in what is a surprise to everybody, the issue that has won the day has been the marketing clause involving the superstar athletes LeBron James, Serena Williams and Drake. Now the vast majority of the trial focused on the issue of distribution. So essentially Liverpool claimed that New Balance had failed or had no chance of meeting the distribution terms offered by Nike, and specifically the promise of selling Liverpool FC licensed products in a minimum of 6,000 doors or retail outlets around the world. So a huge proportion of the case focused on New Balance's internal emails, on their calculations to see whether they had the doors to match Nike, and particular emails that might have suggested that Liverpool said that the leadership team fearful that they couldn't match Nike's terms. So the question seemed to rest on whether New Balance had acted in good faith and had been, or whether they'd been reckless in preparing their renewal document. That, in fact, if that had been the only matter in dispute, New Balance would have won the day. The judge in the case, Mr. Justice Nigel Tear, concluded that the leadership team had not acted recklessly, had not acted in bad faith, were genuine when they said that they could meet Nike's terms, and the distribution matter would have went in New Balance's favour. So it's all boiled down to one sentence. This entire case, thousands and thousands of documents, thousands of emails, thousands of hours of legal team's work has boiled down to one sentence, and that is in the marketing clause offered by Nike, which says that the firm will promote Liverpool FC using global superstar athletes and influencers of the calibre of LeBron James, Serena Williams, Drake, etc. Now that is what's won it for Liverpool and for Nike. New Balance have applied for permission to appeal in the court today. That was turned down by Mr. Justice Tear. So their one remaining option is to apply directly to the Court of Appeal, and that will be done in writing. That's a lot more difficult process than asking in the court itself, and it's difficult to say whether that will have any realistic prospect of success. So as it stands, Liverpool fans can expect the team to turn out in Nike kits next season, and anyone wanting to buy a replica kit will have, of course, the famous swoosh of Nike.